Right, you guys, the time has come. I'm so excited about this ice cream painting. Let's get it revealed and peel away the masking tape. So a tip I can give you guys is always to make sure that you heat up the tape before you pull it away. And even though I heated it up, you can still see that sometimes some of the paper does peel, but you can just rub it down. Watercolor paper, especially 300 GSM, is very resilient. Thank goodness. And seeing that this entire page is now the study of this painting tutorial, it sort of makes it fun because there's all these color studies on the left and here's the painting on the right. And I'm quite happy. So when you pull away your tape, pull it as flat as you can and pull it away from your artwork. Don't pull it towards your artwork because then the paper can tear into your artwork, and trust me, you don't want to have that experience. That is very sad when you've just painted something that you really love and then you peel your painter's tape away and it tears into your artwork. I have experienced that firsthand, so I know how sad that is, and there is little to nothing you can do about that. You can literally just crop your art, cut it smaller, but that's not always a solution because sometimes that ruins the whole composition then. So my advice to you guys is always rather take your time, heat up the tapes very well and pull away slowly as flat as you can and away from your art. Then you should be fine. Alrighty then, so what was the date yesterday? Oh my god, I have no idea what the date is today. I'll have to add the date a little bit later. Now come on, Saturday was the 9th, 10, 11, today is the 12th. Can you believe it? It's the 12th of August already? How did that happen? I mean, it was literally month end yesterday. Soft serve, beautiful. And this is going to be for my new potions, creative potion tier. On Patreon. So exciting. I've got so much exciting news to share, but I can't share it yet. Well, it's not that I can't share it, it's just I just want to dot the T's and no, maybe that's the wrong way to say it. Cross the T's, dot the I's, and get all of my ducks in a row before I share everything that I want to share with you guys. I am so impressed with this painting. I'm really, really loving it, and I think we nailed it. I'm proud of myself, and I'm proud of you. Because I know that you're going to try this and you're going to see that it works. Absolutely beautiful. This is lick worthy. So anyway, thank you for being around for the journey, and stay tuned, because plenty of new magical moments in art is lying straight ahead. Here we go. Stay creative. Bye bye for now.